Rain tapped on Milo's kitchen window.
What can we do today?
We could make pancakes.
I love cooking.
Have you cooked before?
I love the idea of cooking.
An idea is a fine place to begin.
An adult would handle the hot stove and pan.
We can do the safe jobs here.
I choose mixing.
I choose watching.
Milo measured each ingredient carefully.
Is it my turn?
Not yet.
Is it my turn now?
Still not yet. Now you can mix.
Fast mixing is my special skill.
A little cloud of flour puffed out of the bowl.
It snowed in the kitchen.
A very local storm.
Try smaller circles.
Like this?
Perfect.
The storm has passed.
The adult poured the first pancake into the warm pan.
Flip it.
It is not ready yet.
Now?
Not yet.
I see a bubble. Now!
One bubble is very exciting.
The soft pancake folded in half.
Oh no! I ruined breakfast.
It is only the first pancake.
Pancakes are supposed to be round.
We still have batter.
What if they all become pockets?
Then we will have a pocket breakfast.
Let's try again.
This time, everyone waited.
1 bubble. 3 bubbles. 7 bubbles. Where do the bubbles come from?
Baking powder helps make gas in the batter.
The gas makes little bubbles.
The bubbles help the pancake rise.
Wait. Wait. Ready.
The adult flipped it, and the pancake landed flat.
It listened.
Soon, everyone found a favorite cooking job.
I like measuring.
I like calling the flip.
I like the job far from the hot pan.
Should we hide the first one?
It was part of learning.
They each tasted a little piece.
It tastes like a pancake. Let's call it the breakfast pocket.
Would you make pancakes again?
Yes. I am getting better at waiting.
And the next flour storm?
It is staying in the bowl.
One mistake did not ruin their morning. It helped them learn what to try next.